Being a YouTuber is as simple as just turning on your camera and start giving the tips and the tricks and the tutorials that you have to say. Oh no, that is not how YouTube works. And if that is what you're thinking and that may be the reason why you're diving into being a YouTuber, trust me, you don't want to do that, okay? I'm sorry, you don't.
My money, my body, now your own.
What's up, beautiful people? Hi lovelies, my name is Temmieholla and this is my first YouTube video. I'm so excited to be here, guys. So guys, you know what, I'm not going to do a get to know me thing alone. What I'm going to do is take you guys through the journey on how I get to put all of this together, on how I get to do all of this, set up my channel and make this video work for me. Trust me, it hasn't been as easy as I expected it used to be. So guys, first of all, let's do a brief get to know me. Yes, a brief, because I don't want to take too much of your time. My full name is Temmieholla. I'm from Kwara State. I live in Lagos, Nigeria. I'm a Gemini. I love making and listening to music. Yes, and I'm establishing a business very soon. Yeah, I'm making a video right now because I've been so invested in being a content creator and an influencer. So yes, guys, for a very, very long time, this is a thing I've been wanting to do for a very long time. But I see myself doing it right now, after so many years, which I'm not proud of, you get. So my best advice is, if you have anything you want to do, please don't even take your time at all, because you know the time is ticking. So guys, let's get into the video. Like I said, I'm going to be sharing the tips and the tricks on how I get this video done. The tips, number one was research. Guys, I made my research. What I had to do is, the biggest part of it is making my research. I had to keep making my research, from Google search to big content creators to opinions and everything, watching other videos and all of that. I kept making my researches, and the more I make my researches, the more I get to understand that the YouTube algorithm is very, very large. The community is so big that there's so many things you need to learn about the YouTube community, like the guidelines, the community guidelines. You know, YouTube is very, very strict, trust me. YouTube will ban the video, YouTube will flag your video, YouTube may not even push a video if YouTube thinks your video is not really doing well. So these are the things that I really had to study. Trust me, it took a day, 2, 3, I can't even count. It took days for me to get through all of the researches, because I just want to understand. I don't want my video to flop. You know, we want to make videos and just watch their video flop every day. I just had to keep making my research and all of that. I made my research. In terms of the settings is a very, 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 very big thing, a very big deal that you may not even think it's a big deal. You may have even gone through it and just be just a little thing from your settings could change. You know, watching big content creators talking about what they wish they knew before they started their YouTube video, how their video flopped for years and how they are able to do their thing together, and how they're able to put their thing together, and how they're able to put their things together. So guys, I don't want any of this to happen to me, you get. So I just have to make the researches that I could make. So if you're part of this journey as well, please try to make your research. You see the keyword, the tags, and the description, the thumbnails, and all of that. So many things that you need to know how to put together, I try to do. This is my first YouTube video, and this could be my worst YouTube video, and I'm so ready for it, guys. So if it's going to take you a whole day, please do it. If it's going to take you 2 days, please do it. It could take you 2 days, 3 days, whatever day you have to get ready. You have to get satisfied that yes, I've gained the knowledge enough. You know, trust me, I don't know. I thought being a YouTuber is as simple as just turning on your camera and start giving the tips and the tricks and the tutorials that you have to say. You know, oh no, that is not how YouTube works. And if that is what you're thinking and that may be the reason why you're diving into being a YouTuber, trust me, you don't want to do that, okay? I'm sorry, you don't. So guys, moving on to the next tips, which is I had to be ready. You see, this one is a big one. I had to be ready. I had to make up my mind on everything that I was doing, guys. So if you're not ready, it's just not making your research. You also need to be ready. When I mean ready, in terms of searching, when I kept searching for days, I kept getting bored about it. You know, I kept making research, how to make my thumbnail, how to, you know, especially my banner. My banner gave me a very, very big problem. If you click on my channel right now, you see my banner is a little bit kind of, but I just did it the way I can, because you know the size, I tried to make it fit in and everything like that. But you know, I just tried, that one alone took me days to figure out. You get, you know what I mean, days. It's not it took me because I was doing other things as well, you get. So if I'm not getting it, I'll just take a look at other things like editing my intro, editing my video, you know, so many things, like apps that I also explored, app like TubeBuddies, vidIQ, and so many apps like that I explored. So guys, you just need to be ready, because why this part is really important is because at the end of the day, you don't want to go through all of the stress and then you're just getting just a few amount of views and the next thing you think about is quitting. No, you just don't want to quit like that. So that's why you need to be ready. You need to be like, you need to enjoy whatever you're doing. So you repeat. Purpose right here is I'm ready for whatever comes in, even if it has to be just 2 of my viewers. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Please do also subscribe. I won't be like shocked, okay? I won't be shocked. All I have to do is keep working until it pays off, and you know, pray and all of that. So why not? Why would it pay off? I believe it's gonna pay off. So I'm not just gonna get shocked. Like I said, my plan is to always upload 3 videos a week. So I'm not going to let that discourage me and just stop me from uploading. But what I have to do is I have to be ready. Moving on to the next tips, number 3, my equipment. This one is also a big deal, which is just my lighting, my camera, my microphone, the editing apps I used, and you know, my background check. So as for my camera, the camera I'm using right now is my iPhone 11 Pro camera, which is okay. It's quite okay. If it's not really good, you could comment down below. And as for my knowledge, I feel like this camera, I think you could get this quality from like iPhone 8 more and upward, you get. So if you have even a smaller iPhone or bigger iPhone, voila, you're good to go. I'm going to be showing you a clip from this video from my small iPhone on how it looks like. Camera of my iPhone right now. I'm using the back camera. I don't know if you can. I'm going to see if you can use. It looks like. So in case you have this, so just to boost your confidence, in case you have an iPhone that is looking like this, you could just record and all of that. So that is it for my camera. For my lighting, I'm using my ring light. I'm using my 16-inch ring light I got from Gigi last year. I got it at a rate of 45,000 naira, which is a bit expensive, but I think they said it's more expensive now, but that is not it. Trust me, there are quality lighting that are better than this. I really regret, like, it's not like I regret getting my ring light though, but I really wished I knew about this other lighting. I'm going to drop the picture right here. It's as cheap as 20,000 naira. You could get it on Jumia, which is just as cheap as 20,000 naira. A friend got it and it was even better. Like, it has better quality, it has better features than this one. And I'm also going to be dropping the link down below. This is a very good start for you. Also, for my microphone, I got my microphone on Jumia. I got it at a rate of 5,500, which is ella cheap. For me, it's cheap. And I think the total package was 7.5, which is incredible. And it's doing a great job. Like, the sound, please, you know, anything that I comment about that you feel like you disagree about, you could comment down below, okay? I feel like the sound is okay, and I feel like it traps in all, like, it has noise reduction, and you know, it's good, like, and it's gentle, guys. So, and it's very easy to use. It's beginner friendly. As for my environment is a bit noisy, so it helps me filter all the noise away. So guys, moving on to the next one, which is the editing apps. Yeah, this one, you need to know how to explore this one. Yeah, my editing apps, all I did was, I think for my banner, I used Fonto and PixArt. For my intro video, I used Fonto, PixArt, and also Canva, which are all free, trust me. And for the editing, I'm using CapCut and iMovie. You could use CapCut, you could use iMovie. These 2 things are the things that I've tried already. Yeah, they are big features that you could use without even subscribing to any of their, like, without the way. If you have the money, you could subscribe to, you know, their pro version and all of that. And for my thumbnail, I also use PixArt. Yeah, so guys, you could use PixArt, you could use Canva, you could use, you know, there's so many editing apps that are out there that are free. Yes. Also, my background check, I just had to just find a corner around my house. You know, I just sat down. The place I'm sitting right now is in front of my TV, which I feel like it's okay. It's okay, you get, you know. So if you have a place that is just cool, you just a corner in your room, in your house, you could just, you know, set your camera, roll in your camera, turn on your lights, turn on your microphone, and start doing your thing, baby girl. So as I was saying, moving on to the next tips, which is monetization, guys. This one is a big deal, trust me. One of the reasons why we're here is because of, you know, So, but I'm not really shocked because I already know about this though, but I'm just gonna talk about it. How you have to, like, you know, you need 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour, you know, in a minimum of 1 year. Yes, you. So as I was saying, guys, I'm sorry, guys. Nepal took my lights. We're in Nigeria. You see, that's why we have to keep moving. So you don't even have any excuse for not even starting. If you want to start, baby girl, start now. So that's for the monetization, yeah, which I already learned. And yes, also you need to know about sponsorship, yeah. So maybe within those years, or maybe the months rather, maybe if your video is doing well, maybe you could get sponsorship, like somebody that will call out to you and just want to give you something to do and all of that. It's a really good thing. Yeah, that's all I learned about being a YouTuber, and I'm going to be sharing more tips for you guys. I'm sorry that I'm a bit sluggish. Trust me, I'm tired already. I'm hella tired. I've been trying. I could drop a blooper after this video maybe, but this will be the end of this video, right? Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe and like this video. Comment whatever your thought is. Yes, I love you guys. Bye bye.